children, we are learning transformation of sentences. There will be 8 questions in your question paper. Out of those 8 questions, there will be 1 question at least based on degrees of comparison. So you will be given in 1 degree and you will be asked to rewrite the sentences by using the other form of the degree. Here there are 3 degrees of comparison. I hope you have learnt in junior schools and you will remember that positive degree in degrees of comparison, positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Now you must know how to form the positive adjective to comparative adjective and superlative adjective by adding er, est or more and most. If the adjective is single syllable, then you will add er and est to change it into comparative and superlative. If the syllable is two syllable word or adjective, then you should use more and most. That we are not going to learn how to form the positive to comparative adjective, the positive adjective to comparative and comparative to superlative, but we will learn how to rewrite the given sentence into one form to other form. If you have given if you have got the sentence as a positive, what you should add and how to change it without changing the meaning of the given sentence into other form of degree. Now I have written few sentences on the board. Let me explain what are the things you should remember and follow when you rewrite the sentence from one degree to other degree without changing its meaning. Number 1 here, no other man was as strong as Hercules. It is a positive. How did you come to know this is positive? As and as. So in the positive form of sentence, you will have as and as. And how to change it into comparative? What are the words are there to be added in comparative? First thing, you should form the positive adjective into comparative adjective as you have learnt it by heart from junior classes. If you should remember it, and if you are not remembering, you should know how to form it. As I said, if it is a single syllable, you will add er and est, and there are some rules to follow. And here strong is the single syllable, so you will add er to that. Here er is added, and you have to remove as and as when you are writing the sentence in the comparative form. You have to add that you are comparing between two things, and here than is must, and strong should be written as stronger. Apart from that, what are the things you should know? You are comparing the person with something, and with what you are comparing, that you should know. So here no other, that means there was no other person stronger than Hercules. So here you will write instead of no other, any other. So Hercules was stronger than any other man. So this is comparative. So as and as you remove, and you will change the positive adjective into comparative by adding er, and then than you should add. Now the third sentence. Here I have written it in superlative form. So in the superlative form, what you have to do? What are the things to be removed and what is to be when you are comparing anything or any person to the higher level and you are comparing with everything, not between two, above all, there you will use the superlative too. If the comparison is between only two, you will not write it in superlative. When you are comparing the person Kirkus with the men on this world, so no other, that means you are comparing with all, there you can write it in superlative. So Kirkus was the, here, there you used as and as, here you use than along with the adjective, here along with the adjective you have to use the, and then strong will be written as strongest as it is single syllable. If there is a double syllable, then you will write it as more beautiful, most beautiful, like that. More interesting, most interesting. More intelligent, most intelligent. They are double syllable. Now, here 3 sentences we have written, and as we have written it from positive to comparative and comparative superlative. Here in an order we have changed. But in your question paper, the question will be given in any one form. You have to find out in which degree it is written and in which degree they are asking you to rewrite it. Now, here the sentence I have written is in the superlative form. The and EST says that this sentence is a superlative, and I said that when you are comparing anything or any person in all, there you will use the superlative. Here in the world, so in all, overall, you are comparing it, so it is in the superlative form. You may be asked to rewrite by using bigger and or by using as and as. So here as it is given in superlative, you should know how to begin this sentence in the comparative form. As we know that it is above all. So what word you should use? I said any other. So here London is bigger than any other city in the world. London is bigger than ER, and then you have used any other city in the world. Now, you can write it without changing its meaning in the positive form also. So, when you are comparing anything or any person as whole, you will use no other. So, no other city in the world is as big as London. No other city in the world is as big as London. So these things you should remember. If your sentence is in positive form, you are asked to rewrite it in the comparative form. You are supposed to change the adjective into comparative by adding er or more. Along with that, than will come. And if it is superlative and you are asked to write it in positive, then you have to add as and the positive form of the adjective which is used in the sentence. So these are the simple thing you should remember when you rewrite the given sentence from one degree to other degree. In the other class, we will see some more sentences and you can understand better.